once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to I'll going to explain you a new video on the basis of the Tanner tool. And in this video I'll tell you the different modeling style, how to model a NOR gate in in the Tanner tool. So let us start this video, and we'll tell you how to design the NOR gate in an easy and convenient way. See, most of the students are what they are doing, they are taking this PMOS. They are not taking this PMOS basically. See, there are various versions of the PMOS available here, like this. In PMOS, all know the substrate is grounded, a substrate is provided with the VDD. So here this version of the PMOS is already available. So if you use this version, so you have to connect this substrate with the VDD. But if you use this version, it is already connected with the VDD. So this will help you to design your circuit very efficiently, and you need not to be connect this substrate with the this VDD, otherwise you have to do it. Similarly, for the NMOS, the NMOS must be grounded, the substrate must be grounded. So once it is also available here, so I'll advise you to just use this kind of NMOS where the substrate is already grounded. So, and this is one of the very important questions, it is asked in several companies, why we do generally do the substrate of the PMOS connected with the VDD, and substrate of the NMOS connected with the ground. If you know this answer, then please comment into the comment box. Otherwise I'll cover it in the later videos. So this is the output, this is AB, and this is a different style by which I designed it. I basically use this inverter for because this is A, and we have to provide the B bar signal. What I do, B is equal to B bar, B bar, and similarly A is equal to A bar. So wheresoever we required A bar, we can use this directly. And if we required here B bar, we required B bar here, so this B produces B bar. So this way you can design your circuit very easily. And do not forget to put this VCC here, VDD here, that will give the voltage to this VDD 5 volt and to this ground 0 volt. So once you design this circuit, you just have to adopt the same procedure that I already told you in my previous videos. If you have never watched the analysis that I did before, that is transient analysis, AC analysis, and as well as the DC analysis, I'll advise you to just go and watch that video and follow the steps mentioned there. So in this video I just want to cover that the most important concepts, that you can use the PMOS directly with the which is connected, in which the substrate is connected to the VDD, and the NMOS connected, which is with their substrate connected with the ground. Hope you like this video. We will come back soon with a new video with a new concept. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.